This video answers the query how to buy shares of Solvay and shows the listing on Euronext under ticker SOLB.BR, with a quick note that Solvay is a global specialty chemicals and materials company. This guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker SOLB.BR to locate Solvay. Make sure you pick the Euronext listing to find the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker SOLB.BR to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can complete. After confirmation, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the video description if you want to open an account and follow the same steps.